Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to log on to Zearn. When you are finished working at your seat and you get your problem set checked, you're going to get your computers out. You're going to open up your Google Chrome. In the taskbar, I want you to type zearn.org, ZEARN.org. Once you get onto Zearn, you are going to see you need to put your email or username in and your password. It might already be in there for you. If it is not, please type it in and hit sign in. After you have signed in, please make sure you're on lesson 3, Make It Easy. The first activity they're going to have you do is your fluency activities. That is your number gym. You can see I already completed mine, but yours is going to say start. You click start and you complete that. Once you've completed number gym, you're going to move on to your sprint and hit start. After you've completed the sprint, we are going to move on to our guided practice. Our guided practice is called Math Chat. So that is going to be a teacher talking to you and giving you some examples of things that we did today. After you've completed that, you are going to move on to your last activity, which is going to be your Tower of Power. This is called your independent practice. That means you're doing it on your own. You're going to click start. You're going to complete that. Once you have finished, you are done with Zearn for today. Please make sure if you have any questions while you are doing Zearn to raise your hand and a teacher will come over and help you. If you've gotten to lesson 4, great job.